हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर निधि जिंदल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आप सबने बहुत सुना होगा दैट यू हैव टू बी हेल्दी फ्रॉम विद इन टू हैव योर स्किन ग्लोइंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, एंड दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली राइट। सो इस वीडियो में हम लोग गट स्किन एक्सेस के बारे में बात करेंगे, जिससे हमें ये पता चलेगा कि व्हाई इट इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल एंड हेल्दी गट टू हैव अ स्किन ग्लोइंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। एंड इट इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू आर यूज, समटाइम्स आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने के बाद भी स्किन डल है, एक्ने आ रहा है, एक्जिमा कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है। सो देयर इन दिस वीडियो यू माइट फाइंड द रीजन दैट व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग विद यू। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल एंड, यू माइट फाइंड आंसर्स टू योर क्वेश्चंस। हम लोगों का जो स्किन और गट एक्सेस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है, जितना हम सोच सकते हैं उससे कहीं ज़्यादा। कैसे, मैं आपको समझाऊंगी। वी हैव अ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, इट हैज़ अ नंबर ऑफ माइक्रोब्स वी नोन एज डाइजेस्टिव माइक्रोबियल सिस्टम, जो हम लोगों के फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में, एब्जॉर्ब करने में, मेटाबोलाइज करने में हेल्प करते हैं। Hence they produce vitamins, they build up our immunity, they give us the digestive products, and also they secrete a lot of other antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, which helps us in giving a good skin and good skin health. जब हम लोगों का गट माइक्रोबायोम जो होता है वो इम्बैलेंस होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रेस, बिकॉज ऑफ द अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, because of the unhealthy eating, what happens? The things that have to go naturally, it does not go. Inflammatory products build up होते हैं, toxins build up होते हैं, digestion अच्छा नहीं होता है, जिसकी वजह से it can reflect in the form of acne, rosacea. It can give us a dull skin. Also, there can be aggravation of eczema, psoriasis, and many other immune related disorders. ये जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है हमारी स्किन एंड गट के बीच में, दिस इज नोन एज skin gut axis, and it is very important to maintain our skin gut axis for a healthy living, for a healthy skin, for a glowing skin, and we'll discuss it out. Now, what happens when the gut absorption is not good, and how does it reflect in skin? Number one is the inflammation. When the gut lining becomes defective, and there is a syndrome called leaky gut syndrome, it leads to the spread of unwanted metabolites and unwanted cytokines into the bloodstream. That might give us the inflammation and hence leads to the aggravation of psoriasis, acne, and other autoimmune and also the immune related disorders. Now, immunity. Our 70% of the immunity resides inside the gut. When the gut is not working properly, then it can lead to the exacerbated response to our immune system, and hence in the form of allergic reactions, asthma, and other allergic conditions. Hormones. Gut also affects the hormones like estrogens and cortisol, and hence when the gut is not working properly, we might have increased oil production, and also the acne breakouts might be there. Last but not the least is when the gut is not absorbing the nutrients properly, it leads to the reduced absorption of products like zinc, vitamin A, and omega fatty acids. And who does not know that they all are very important for our skin renewal and skin glow? And this is how the defective gut give us a reduced glow and a dull skin. Let's discuss in a little detail about various skin conditions and how it is get affected by the gut microbiome dysfunctioning. First and foremost is the acne. We all know that acne is getting aggravated by food in some people. So in the condition of acne, there is more of harmful bacteria and less of the beneficial bacteria. And whenever there is an inflammation of the gut, it leads to acne breakouts because of increased sebum production, and the cloacs, they get clogged. That's the reason acne gets aggravated. Eczema. Eczema is also a condition where there is excess of harmful bacteria, which leads to increase in inflammatory products and hence skin barrier disruption. And whenever we are treating the gut microbiome in eczema, we are definitely seeing that the barrier is good. There is decrease in the relapses and the patient feels better. Psoriasis. Psoriasis is another immunomodulatory disease जिसमें कि immune system का disruption रहता है, और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि gut में 70% of the immune system is responsible or depends upon the gut. So improving the gut microbiome definitely helps us in giving a good remission for the psoriasis. Rosacea. Rosacea is another condition in which we see SIBO. That means small intestine bacterial overgrowth. So if we are targeting the gut inflammation in rosacea, we are definitely giving patients less of flares and more improvement in the inflammation, and they feel much relieved and better. अभी ये तो जाना कि why it is important. अभी हमें ये जानना है कि why and how we can maintain the gut health. so that our skin can also glow and we feel very fresh and healthy. सबसे पहले we should eat a healthy and balanced diet. Our diet should be a holistic diet which has all kind of fruits, vegetables, high fiber diet, whole grains, cereals, legumes. Definitely they help in good absorption of food and hence decreases the inflammation. We can add pre and probiotics to our diet. Probiotics are the good bacteria and they are there in yogurt and fermented food. And prebiotics are the good food for bacteria, for good bacteria like onion and garlic. Drink good amount of water. It flushes out the toxin and definitely helps in keeping the gut as well as skin hydrated. Low down on all kind of sugar and processed food, because whenever we have this kind of food, it leads to increase in inflammation and it also promotes the growth of bad bacteria and hence it can lead to increase in sebum and oil production and more of acne breakouts and aggravation of other inflammatory skin conditions. आज की life हर किसी की stressful है, but we should know when to take a stress. So avoid excess of stress, as we all know that stress not only affects the gut health but it also increases the cortisol levels. Whenever we are stressed, there is more of bad bacteria and more of inflammation which can lead to breakouts and also aggravation of inflammatory conditions like eczema and psoriasis. So try medication, try taking deep breaths, try to have 5-10 minutes daily of yoga and exercise. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics, because unnecessary antibiotics will kill good bacteria and will imbalance the gut microbiome. So it's very important to avoid unnecessary antibiotics. When required, they should always be taken under a doctor's guidance. Also take good sleep, because whenever we are sleeping well, it is a time for gut repair and also it gives more of the good bacteria which altogether decreases the inflammation and increases the skin health and we can glow naturally. Now coming to when to see us, like your dermatologist. Whenever you are doing all the good things to yourself externally and still you are not getting the results and you are tired of doing the care from the external things, it's the right time to deep it dive. हो सकता है कि we have something deep in our inside the body which we are missing. Then is the right time to see a dermatologist, because we can give you a holistic approach where we will be investigating inside the body also and will be guiding you through the skincare products also. So it's very important to see a dermatologist if the external things are not helping without a delay, because sometimes things they get worse and then it takes time to recover. Now, what is the conclusion of all what I have told you? It is very important to bring a balance and harmony among your gut and skin, and you know it is constant and consistent. हमारा गट और हमारा स्किन हमेशा एक दूसरे से बात करता रहता है, तो कभी भी अगर गट में कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगा तो वो स्किन में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा एंड दैट माइट बी द रीज़न कि कई बार आपने देखा होगा ना कि आप लोग आते हो डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के अपने रिस्पेक्टिव पूछते हो कि मैम मैं तो वही स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रही हूँ, देन व्हाई आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द सेम रिजल्ट्स. Then this might be the reason that there is something missing in the chain which is hampering that constant glow and healthy skin look. So it's very important to have a balance of nutrition, healthy lifestyle and right skincare products. So if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more science-backed skin videos, please continue watching my videos and stay safe, stay healthy till I see you in my next video.